Hello friends, myself Sumit. You are watching my YouTube channel Tech Site. In this video, I will explain how to create design library for Padeye. Using these same steps, you can create any part or feature in design library. We know that Padeye is most useful part in Weldment. We design Padeye as per the capacity and shackle size. So creating Padeye is more time consuming process, because we use the shackle pin diameter and inside width into this formula and calculate the values for Padeye parameters. To avoid this, we can create a design library with the equation which can be manipulated as per the shackle size, and we can use whenever required in Weldment application. So we will start how to add equation to a Solidworks part. Here I have created one part for Padeye. You have to make sure that your sketch is on front plane. Also, the sketch is symmetric to the origin, and also boss extrude is symmetric to the front plane. Now, for understand the equation values, we need to give names for each dimensions. For example, here I have given DH for the diameter of hole. You can change this value as per requirement. Then this is the dimension for height of hole, so I have used small h. As like this, you add naming to each dimension and extrude. For the input consideration, create a 3D sketch and add naming to this dimension small d. It will be considered as shackle pin diameter, and WS for this dimension, it will be considered as width of inside width of shackle. Now, to create equation, go to the tools, under below this geometry analysis you will see equation is here. Here I have already selected. Right click on this and go to the manage equations. Here you can see equation view, sketch equation view and dimension view. Click on dimension view. Here you can see all the naming has been given in this first row for these dimensions. Go to the first tab, that is equation view. Under this you will see at the bottom equation. So click here and we'll start with the diameter of hole. So select that dimension, that is small dh. Here you can see dh is selected. Now we have to create an equation. For this we will need 3D sketch. You can see here 3D sketch is selected, but we need only the dimension, so I will delete this. I will select the pin diameter, that is small d. As per the formula, it will be multiply with 1.03 plus 2. Click on OK. Here 30.84 is the calculated value. came for this hole. So you can add equation as per this for rest of the dimensions. I have already created one model with all the equation. Here you can see the all values are get calculated as per this formula. Now our next step will be creation of design library. Go to this right side design library, pin this taskbar, then select design library. Now we need to create design library with equation, so select equation, extrude and 3D sketch, and drag these three to the design library. Here you can see these three items are added. Here we will give the name for this Padeye 1. File type is already selected. Click on OK. Here you can see Padeye design library is created. Now we'll use this Padeye into a Weldment. Here we have a C channel and we need to add a Padeye on this face. So before adding this Padeye, we need to create one sketch to fix this Padeye origin on this channel. Select front plane, select top plane and add 2 points. Now you can drag this Padeye and drop on open space. Here it's asking for placement plane, so select the vertical center plane, that is front plane, then select the point to match the origin. Here click on OK. Then I will show you one more example with same. Click on OK. Now we have the two Padeyes fixed on this channel. Now if you see, the type of this feature is design library, so we can dissolve this library feature. Here we have option dissolve library feature. After click, you will see the same tree structure we will receive here. We will do again for next Padeye. Now we'll change the dimension. Let's say 35 is 50. And here 50. here you can see you can change the Padeye dimension by using equation in a simple way. Just change the two input values and Padeye will be created. If you want to separate cut list, then go to the extrude feature and unmark this merge result and click on OK. Same for this second Padeye, unmerge and click on OK. So here 3 atoms will be get separate out. One is for channel and 2 is for Padeyes. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates about the new SolidWorks videos. Thank you.